Hello and welcome to my first upload. This should be interesting. My name is Cheska and I am a huge fan of makeup. Oh god, let's start this over. Okay, take two. Hi, I'm Cheska and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a first impression slash sort of just like a mini tutorial on the new Fantasia palette from Bad Habit. Pretty packaging. Got a little oil smudges on there. Kind of a slob, who cares? Back box. So you see, 15 color shadow collection has all of the ingredients and the very important cruelty-free label. There you go. Has like the NATASHA Denona palette vibes there. And so then you have the palette, and then the back has all of the colors listed here. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then let's open this baby up. Some very pretty colors there. Very pretty. And all zoomed in so that you can see where I'm gonna go with this. First, I'm gonna prime my lids, so I know that this palette doesn't really need it because I've seen some pretty awesome reviews on it already. So we're just gonna do one of these. This is the MAC Painterly. Very popular eyeshadow primer. Just gonna do this all over my lid up to my brow bone. And again, on the other side, just a small amount is fine. You're just priming so that everything goes on smoothly. And then you'll wanna go ahead, take a brush, little fluffy brush. This one's my Morphe from an 18-piece set. It's nothing fancy. I'm gonna take like a nice light color. I'm gonna do Delirious. Delirious is right here. And there is some kickback, okay? You'll see that. But here we go. Just gonna set the lid with a very neutral color all over. It's a little bit darker than a normal setting color, but I'm just gonna roll with it because it's not a bad one. Okay. Alright. So we have the eyelids primed. And I'm trying to work with the whole palette, but I'm going to try to keep this pretty cohesive. I really want to work with these metallics, these shimmers, and I think I'm going to go with like a, I don't know, like weightless, ecstatic, and lifted. So I'm going to start with a little bit of lifted right here. I'm going to take a synthetic brush because I know that these can be a little bit difficult to get to work without your finger, but we're going to try it anyway. So I'm going to do with this a little bit of this in the outer V. Just enough This is a dry brush. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. A little bit of lifted in the corner crease. Get that working. You can go under a little bit too to connect it to the bottom, because I figure I probably will do that. So you got your outer view with lifted. Dry brush again. The color payoff is insane. Even them out a little. Okay. And the next one is going to be ecstatic. I have to clean this brush off just a little bit because I don't have another one that, you know what, let's just do ecstatic with a finger so you guys can see how crazy these metallic shades are. You guys see that? Insane. And they like almost like just blend themselves together, really. So then on the other side, yeah, see, like it just melts together. It's pretty great. Now you might be a matte person, but I've been trying these like all shimmer looks on top, and woo, I love it. I love doing a full-on shimmer. Alright, and with my last finger I'm going to take weightless and go into corner just like that. Do a little more. Blend, blend, blend. They really just blend together themselves. And then exact same thing on the other side. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is take a little bit more of Delirious again and blend out the top of these. Make them a little bit blended together at the top. Do the same on the other side. I just want to make sure that these lines aren't too harsh, right? You know? Blend, blend, blend. And they blend nice. I don't really have any complaints about that. I'm gonna clean up that weightless again, go in with a little more weightless. Orange, or that limoncello dupe. See, that really makes it pop again. And ecstatic got a little lost, so I'm going back in with my finger again. And just, you know, rubbing a little more drama in there. Drama, drama, drama. Everybody loves a little drama. So far this we have. Okay. And so now we're going to want to finish the lower lash line. So first, I'm just gonna buff out that green under there. And then I'm gonna take a more flat brush and go under this with a little Dreamland. It's gonna be the bottom, on the bottom lash line. That's what I think that'll be cute. One more time, right here. Now, don't judge me too hard. I am not a pro. I am just playing around, makeup junkie, just like you. I think I have allergies. I've been like, my nose just like, oh, since I moved to Seattle, I have like had such a hard time controlling my allergies. And it wasn't like that when I lived in Miami, really. I didn't get too many allergies. So you're gonna have to like work with this because there is some fallout, and you know, okay, so we're getting pretty close, I think, to being done. And then one last buff with Delirious at the top. So that's what we have. And I am going to finish that off with just a little more weightless in the inner corner. It's a great inner highlight. Let's see. I like to do a little bit up. I've been seeing a lot of people doing that since Mario did this on Kim K, like the exaggerated inner highlight. Now, I'm not one for falsies or anything like that usually, but this might call for some falsies. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. And this is your finished look. I did Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and the cheapest imaginable false lashes because I am still training myself how to do those, but they're alright. They're from DAISO. So yeah, final thoughts on this. This is 16 bucks. A lot of people are upset about the price hike from Bad Habit, but I can't be mad at them. Look at this color payoff. I mean, it's great. It's a great palette, and I can't wait to make like myriad looks with it. It's gonna be insane. I'm super happy with this purchase. I cannot complain. Let me know what y'all think. And one more thing, I have decided I'm going to do a wear test on this today. So I'm going to be vlogging and checking in to show how this wears throughout the day, how it stands up, and I will let y'all know. Okay? Cool. And we are here about 6 hours later, 6 hours into the wear test in the sun. You can see there's very little, if any, creasing. And earlier I thought that some of the color in the center was getting lost, but on camera it really does seem to still be going strong. You know, no touch-ups. I had to take my falsies off, they were driving me crazy. And I touched up the lip, but we are focused on the eye and it looks amazing.